Hello everybody, and today we're going to have a look at a villa that's up for sale that is built in a Caribbean style. Now it's a pretty spacious villa with 4 bedrooms, and it is also located in a very quiet spot. And at the same time is located about 650 feet from the ocean front. Now here behind me we have a small pool and the house itself. Okay, now so for who is this villa best suited? Well, first of all, it's very good purchase, and also you can rent it out. And I'll give you the prices for both a little bit later, but now let's have a look at it. Let's go. So like I said previously, the villa has 4 bedrooms. It's located about 650 feet from the ocean in a gated and guarded community in which other similar villas are located. All the villas here are pretty much the same. Difference being is the square footage, the area. And like I said, one of the biggest upsides here is that it's quiet and it's very safe. So let's have a closer look now. Now all of the villas in this community are up to be rented. The owners of this specific villa decided to sell it. The owners are from the United States. It's constantly being rented out. Like I said, also the price I'll tell you later. Now this villa is usually rented out for the weekends, maybe a week, maybe a couple of days. Now the territory itself isn't that big. It's about 16 perches or 4,300 square feet. And you have a small lawn with a small pool. The villa itself looks kind of compact and maybe even small. But once you get inside, it's a different story. Pretty spacious inside, 2 floors, and up to 8 people can live in it. Here you got your barbecuing zone, your grilling zone. You spend time with the family here. Some more space, walk around space around the house. You have 2, actually 3 entrances into the house. This big wooden table with all the wooden chairs. You have your rest area for when you want to spend time with the family in the evening, early morning, you know, watch the sunrise, sunset. Everything here done is in the Caribbean style. It's very cozy, it's very comfortable, it's very welcoming and warm. This villa was built by the Dominicans. This villa is part of a high quality class of real estate. It itself costs a pretty penny, but it's built with quality in mind. We enter into the kitchen. You have your kitchen island. The countertops are marble. Everything that you need is right here. Microwave, your oven, refrigerator, cooler, everything that you need is here. And this is all on the first floor. Have your living room area. Also here are located 2 of the 4 bedrooms. There's the living room area where you can also rest already inside with your family, watch television. Has a very interesting interior design. Here is made with the use of driftwood, which is extensively used in a lot of the houses and decorations. It's one of the characteristics of Dominican style interior design and Caribbean style interior design in general. We have some local seashells. It's all very pretty, very beautiful. And let's also have a look at the table here. I really like it. I like the way they made it out of driftwood and polished it up. And if you look up, we also have the same thing here with the mirror. Also done in a similar style by the same designers. Here we have our second or back exit. It's right back here into the inner court. And go down, that's going to be your parking space for your automobiles, your bikes, and everything else. As I previously stated, there are 2 bedrooms on this floor, and let's go have a look at the first one, shall we? Located back to each other. You have 1 bedroom to your right and 1 bedroom to your left. These bedrooms are pretty spacious. You have air conditioning, you have air ventilators and air fans, paintings in a Dominican style. Also very interesting concerning the layout of the bedroom. Your shower, your sinks, your bathroom in total is located right behind the bed itself. Here you have your closets, and right behind this wall, here you have your 2 sinks, your toilet, and your shower. Plumbing here is top notch, so you don't have to worry about the plumbing. It's already all installed. It's all top notch. Don't worry about it. Up across to the next bedroom. Now this bedroom has a slightly different layout than from the first bedroom. You have the same amenities as in the first bedroom. You got your Dominican style painting, air conditioning, air fan, but the way the bathroom is built in is slightly different. Bathroom itself is also behind the wall. However, it's split in two. So here you have your sink and your toilet and your washing area. And let's go have a look at the second half. Here's a window, and it has a very open layout, a lot of air is coming through. And here is the second half of the bathroom. And here you have your sink and a shower with glass paneling. Very light in here. There's a lot of light. It's all well done. The layout itself, so it's all top notch. And like I stated before, in this villa there are 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. Each bedroom has its own bathroom, and here we have our half bathroom, just a sink and a toilet, and that's about it. Okay, so let's move out and go upstairs. By the way, there's a lot of square footage here. I'll post all that information in the description below. We have our back exit, our second back exit that leads us to the laundry room and the pantry. Have a look here. So you have everything you need right here. Have your washing machine, your dryer. You have your boiler right here that is needed for laundry and for controlling the plumbing, etc. So yeah, that was it. Let's close the door and continue on going upstairs. So as we're going upstairs, we can see this beautiful staircase, wooden staircase in front of us. Up here, as we go on up, we have this little door for the house trolls, but I'm just kidding. It's just an extra storage space. No trolls actually live here. And like I said, here on the second floor, we'll also have 2 bedrooms located directly above the 2 bedrooms below, one on the left, one on the right. The layouts of these 2 bedrooms are also similar to the ones downstairs. In this bedroom, we have a split bathroom. Here we see we have a sink and a shower, and you also have a view into outside, into the yard itself. What's going on there? Palm trees are beautiful, by the way. Also have solar roof panels on the roof right there. Owners of this villa are progressive, so they use all ecological, clean, renewable energy. Not use it, you got sunshine year-round here in the Dominican Republic. You have your toilet and your sink. Closet right here, it's very similar. Bedroom below with the split bathroom, and right here is bedroom number 4. And here we have a full bathroom in the sense that it's not split. Here you have your shower with the glass paneling. Here you have your toilet, everything that is needed. And here you have your also 2 sinks. And the cleaning ladies, by the way, love to leave the towels in animal forms and shape them up like that. Of all types of goats, flamingos, rabbits, and all that type of stuff. So that's basically about it. We looked at everything we needed to look at. And as we're about to go down, here is the view of the layout from above. There we can see the pool. We can see that we have a big living room space right here in the kitchen, and that's just about it. And now let's have a look at the numbers. So my dear viewers, what's up with the numbers? So this villa with 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, its own swimming pool, and with its own territory is going to cost you a total of $585,000 US. So as of now, it's being rented out, and one night here costs you about, since it has a good territory, it's located near the ocean, 650 feet away from the ocean front, in a quality Caribbean style. And these types of villas are in high demand because I had to negotiate with the owners to film in here because they were constantly having tenants in here, trying 3 days to get here to shoot the video because people just are constantly here. So in the end, it'll cost you $300 a night. Now, of course, it's not going to be rented out all the time every day, but per month, it'll cost you about $4,500 a month. And the villa itself brings about $50,000 a year. So your ROI on this villa will be about 10, 12, 11 years, somewhere in that ballpark, if you rent it out by the month. Now, if you run it out by the day, then your ROI can be a lot lower. So, what's the catch? It's a very interesting project. It's built very well. It's close to the ocean, and in this area, houses get sold out very fast. So, who are your buyers? Who are your clients? Americans, Canadians, rich Europeans. Why? Because they like these types of villas. They like that they are not far from the ocean. And at the same time, it's safe here, and it's quiet here. You can have your peace of mind. And that you're in a gated community. You won't have outside noise. You won't have motorbikes riding here and there, and people in cars. And rich people like these types of quiet areas. So for those that are looking for peace, quiet, and to be near the ocean, this is the villa for you. Plus those that want to buy some property and then rent it out, invest their money for a long period of time. This is also good property to acquire and have a passive stream of income. So keep an eye out for future videos. All the information will be in the description below. So please subscribe to my channel. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button, hit the notification bell. Also subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I post all up-to-date information about real estate and my personal insights. This has been Yuri. Have a wonderful day. Peace, warmth, and love.